Hey, what's up everyone? Really quickly, I just wanted to thank you everyone for watching that last video of the Portland electric pressure washer from Harbor Freight. I did announce that if we get to 250 likes on that video within a week's time, I would be giving it away to one of you. We didn't hit it, but I'm still giving it away. So we are gonna be doing more giveaways, so make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss them. We do have some giveaways. I've been talking with another pressure washer brand, and they're gonna be sending out a couple units for me to do some giveaways with. So anyways, I did a random selection. I chose my top 5 favorite comments, and then I did a random selection. One of those apps where you can put it on a little dial. It's like Wheel of Fortune. You spin it and you land on a winner. So congratulations to Dutch Tech. One of the main reasons I liked your comment is I'm also Dutch, and Dutch last name. And yeah, I appreciate you commenting that you were interested in getting the aftermarket hoses and guns and all that kind of stuff as well to go with it. So go ahead and, let's see here. Go ahead and email me. You can email me at josh@detailgreenusa.com. So just like this, detailgreenusa.com. And send me your information and I'll get that thing over to you. So congratulations. For everyone else, I'm sorry you didn't win, but we are gonna be doing more giveaways. Yeah, make sure you're subscribed. We'll see you guys later. Thanks so much.